You will not always get tangible return from the money that you spend on home renovation and improvement. My name is Victor Yang. Today, I'm going to tell you what you should do before my for sale sign is put on your property. Come on in, let's take a look. We have a lot of things going on here. Come on in. How are you doing?
Hi. Good.
Hard work, right?
Yeah.
See, our cover's here.
Yes.
Good job. Okay.
Yes.
What mission did today? I'm telling you to change the color, to put the pot light. You see how many pot lights we have in the properties. The fresh paint, smooth ceiling, and pot lights are important but affordable improvements that you really need to consider.
Yeah, this looks good.
Yeah. You know what? It's really painful to picking up the color, is that right?
Yes.
Very, very difficult and painful, but you have to seek a professional. Remember, professional painter can help you. Is that right? Thank you. Come on with me, guys. Let me show you some comparison between the rooms. This is our master room. Remember, always make sure your master bedroom is warm and bright, because most of home buyer, they want to see the master bedroom at the very first time they come to upstairs, okay? Remember, bright and warm. Compared to the master bedroom, this room is more masculine because we don't know how many boys and girls in the potential buyer's family. So be smart. Do not make all color in one tone. Oh, look at the sunshine. I need my sunglasses. Oh my goodness.
You want to redo the video outside?
No, it's okay. No, that's beautiful.
Okay. Come closer to me. Come closer.
Yeah.
Stand. Yeah. Be right
Oh my
here.
God.
Beautiful. Stand right there.
We try to make the color more neutral. Maybe a little bit feminine, but basically in a neutral tone. This one. As you can see, the color of this room is exactly like last one. The reason is because we do not want to put in too many different colors on the same floor. There are so many small things and the details that you need to pay attention. If you need help to pick up the colors, please do not hesitate to contact me at the number below. I'm looking forward to hear from you. As always, thank you very much for watching, sharing, and subscribing. I will see you guys soon.